morning and welcome back to the Cargo channel, and welcome to gloomy New York. It's 8 a.m. and I'm going to Cars and Coffee because I haven't been to Yorktown in a while. It's also going to be a busy day because I gotta do all the stuff I gotta do before 3 because I gotta go to work. Let's get started. So first things first, I want to congratulate Enclave Games on getting the Oxito lights that I sent, the LED T10 bulbs. Congratulations. And he was nice enough to send me 2 clips from him unboxing them and putting them on his C-Class W204. I'm sorry, I'm really bad with those. So yes, roll these now before we can go to Cars and Coffee.
Hello all, thank you for having me on the show, Ivan. It's me right there, Randy, Enclave Games. I was the giveaway winner for the white LED lights. They came in I think they came in earlier today, and I just now got around to getting it installed, so let's go ahead and see what we've got in the package here. Set you guys down real quick. I don't even think you need a knife for it. I'm just hooking this up. Okay, so here we have the LED bulbs. Have a business card here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And we have a little note here. Thank you for your support. May these shine bright. All the best. Car goes to Ivan. Thank you, Ivan. I'm going to go ahead and get you guys a quick little before of the lights before I install them. Go ahead and move those over. These are going on a 07 C230. Now just to compare and contrast, I put the left side in only, just so you can see the difference with the LED side and the halogen side. So as you can see, the LED is quite bright in there. And the halogen is still kind of bright, but it doesn't have the modern look that that side has.
Alright, congrats to Enclave Games again, and thank you very much to every single one of you, because by the time I upload this, we're almost or at 600 subscribers. Way to go! We moved from 5 to 600 subscribers in a little over a month, or just over a month. I'm super excited. Also, look at the weather out there. The weather is like foggy and stuff. I really hope some cars show up at Cars and Coffee. But one way to find out is to get there. Okay, despite the weather being gloomy, we have quite a nice turnout, primarily daily drivers, but yeah, nice cute S2000 and Ford RS, Ford Focus RS. Over here we have GT350 Shelby and a 458. Yeah, quite the turnout, quite the turnout. We're gonna go make one turn around and get some coffee, because coffee first. Awesome turnout. Also, that Camaro SS was quite broken. Yeah, it was smoking all over the place. But look at this Miata right here.
Daddy.
Oh, they only fix I don't think there's a case left. Look at the wing. Woo. Big wing gang. This thing is wild. It has all the flares and white body kit and stuff. And I think it's swapped to something interesting, but let's take a look inside first.
This one that comes here has got a V6 in it.
Oh.
Sounds pretty good.
Manual.
It sounds pretty nice.
Pretty nice instrument cluster.
Yeah.
Hey, this is a race toy.
Race car.
That's a front drive. How many horses you got here, man?
It's not mine.
So this is going for
not
the
it.
front drive. So they No, have, rear wheel drive, I think. this is rear wheel drive now, but the Honda, the Acura engine was a front drive transverse.
But it is.
That's why the exhaust mask hole looks
Front drive
crazy.
is nice.
A Honda engine in a Mazda.
Oh, what is he doing for trans-
Quite curious. Quite curious. Also, the 93 octane guys brought the toys, and those are quite interesting. We have the Mazda RX-7 and the Toyota Super Turbo 15th anniversary special edition. It's like, well, to me it's like Fast and Furious 1 all over again. And we have the S2000 over there on the other side. Yeah, it's cool stuff, but let's get coffee first. Oh, never mind the coffee. Look at the Bronco. Look at this. Yeah, I guarantee OJ had that. It was getting away. This thing's so cool.
What do you can't do that in the car.
Got coffee, awesome turnout. I saw like 3 Shelby GT350s already. And of course, the intro huge amount of Mustangs and stuff. But I love these 2 Porsche turbos, the 996 and the 991, no 997, sorry. And this one's convertible. It's cool. Also, we have an appearance for Ferrari 308. Really cool car, and those are picking up on value like crazy right now. All right, let's take another turn, then we'll get to the car and do something else. I like these cute little Porsches 914. They're really nice. They're a bit underpowered, but I prefer they're really fun to drive. If I ever have a chance, I'll probably pick one up, but I don't have the chance yet. Also, look, Kia Stinger. Only Kia that I'll actually consider buying. It's over there in the far corner. We have again the lineup: E30, 458 Italia, GT350, the Mark V Golf, GTI. Let's get to the car. Now, the observant viewer probably always sees me with these wonky headphones. They're actually, taped with duct tape, and these cushions are falling off. But these are a gift from my wife, so I like them and I'm keeping them. Also, I could spend $150 on headphones, but here comes a motivational speech. Why would I? Instead, what I did was bought this $25 Bose cushion pack. So I'm just going to change these worn out cushions and save myself $125 by not doing that, so I can actually use those for something else that I love. And motivational part of this is, or the teaching of this is, that you guys don't have to spend or justify spending a lot of money on stuff that you don't need, or stuff that you can actually fix for a lot cheaper. Now I just got these and I have no idea how to install them. Of course, for some odd reason, the link of these will be in the description. You know, if you ever get a chance to be like having Bose SoundLink headphones, they're actually messed up. Let's see if I can actually do this. Ooh. Instruction. Ooh. Ooh. Smells new, fresh. Simple. You pop the old one out and you put the new one in. Let's see if that works. Alright, one down, you just pull it out, put it in. Easier than it actually looks. Let's do the other one. This one is already disintegrated, so it's easy to take off. Like, I had duct tape on these things and stuff, like, so you just peel this out. I'm surprised how easy it was. I actually brought a mini screwdriver with me. I don't know why I did that, because I don't know how you're gonna screw the screws if the cushion is already on them. Alright, a few frustrating minutes later, old cups are out, new cups are in. These headphones are like brand new. There are a few other cars that came in Cars and Coffee event, so I'm gonna go around, take a look, gonna film them and put them at the end of this video. But after that we're gonna split ways, so if you like the video, hit the thumbs up. I know you want it, I know you do. If you're here for first time, why not consider subscribing, hit that bell button as well, you know, all the bells and whistles, all the 9 yards. I have something special coming in that's gonna get my Instagram game up, and that should be coming today, so soon expect a video in a Car Ghost channel near you of, I'm not gonna say what it is, but if you don't know, my Instagram page is @CarGhostNY and will be linked below in the description, and below that description box there is a comment box. You know what, consider shooting a comment at me. That helps, also helps the interaction going on, inspires me for new videos and stuff. Till next time, bye.